The folder type maintenance is an editable list of all the folder types that are available to choose from when creating a folder in DocSavy. There are two view frames on the folder type maintenance screen, the viewer and the editor. The folder type list is a filtered data grid that contains all the information for the created folder types that are available. If you right-click on any of the column headers in the data grid, a menu will appear. You can select Customize Columns to select which columns you would like to show or hide. Click on any folder type in the filtered data grid to view the folder type editor. To edit the folder you are viewing, click the Edit button. To add or remove folder types, use the Add or Remove buttons. If a folder type has been used in the system, it cannot be removed. If you wish to stop the users from using this folder type in the future, uncheck the active checkbox for that type. When you select the Add button, you will be directed to the folder type editor. The ID field is a system-generated identifier that is unique to the folder type database. The folder type field is a free format text box where the user can name the folder type that they are creating. The name that you give the folder type should be unique. The code field is an abbreviation of the folder type. The folder class field is populated by using the drop-down menu. The folder classes are the general types of folders that are available to choose from when creating a folder. The description field is used to add any additional information on the folder type. The active checkbox is to make the folder type active for use or not. The folder type without statuses cannot be used in DocSavy, and a folder type without roles can only be used or seen by an administrator. These tabs are where you are able to view and edit the roles, statuses, and default tasks. The Roles tab is available to assign users roles on the folder type. You must be in edit mode to add or remove roles. To add a role, select the Add button. A pop-up window will appear with a combo box. Select the role you wish to add and press OK. The Edit checkbox gives that role editing permissions on the folder type. The Statuses tab allows an administrator to assign statuses. Each status must have a status class. The status class defines if the folder is deleted, one of the 24 math columns, or simply active. If you right-click on any of the column headers in the data grid, a menu will appear. You can select Customize Columns to select which columns you would like to show or hide. You can add, remove, or change the order of the statuses. When you change the order of the statuses, this defines the order in which they are displayed in the combo box. When you select the Add button, you are directed to the bottom editor to fill in the fields. An ID is a system-generated identifier that is unique to the statuses in the database. The name is the name of the status. This should also be a unique name. The code is an abbreviated or numeric identifier for the given status that can be set up according to company policy. The class is populated by using a drop-down combo box. Depending on the folder class assigned to the folder type, different options will be available for the Statuses class field. The description field is a free format text field available to add any additional information on the status. Statuses can also be active or hidden by using the checkboxes. The active checkbox defines if the status is available for use in the system. If a status has been used in the system, it cannot be removed. But to ensure that it is no longer used again within DocSavy, simply uncheck the active checkbox. The hidden checkbox defines if the folder is hidden in the navigation tree by default. The next statuses defines the workflow for active users. The responsible roles defines whose inbox the folder will be displayed in when it is in the set status. Click the Save button to save your folder.